This summer almost didn't happen. A storm swept through and left my backyard wrecked. Tipped chairs, broken branches in the pool, absolutely disgusting. While I cleaned up the yard, the WYBOT S2 Solar took care of the pool completely on its own. It's the first solar-powered robotic pool cleaner, and honestly, I wish I had this thing years ago. It runs on solar energy, docking itself at a sleek underwater charging station whenever the battery runs low. No tangled cables and no extra electricity bill. Still cloudy out. It supports traditional DC charging too. Setting it up was simple. I followed the quick start guide, installed the dock, and connected everything via the WYBOT app. From there, I could check the cleaning progress, switch between modes like floor, wall, turbo, or dirt hunting, and even direct it to specific zones, all remotely. What impressed me most was how it uses underwater sonar and cloud connectivity to stay precise, even in large or oddly shaped pools. And thanks to its dual filtration system, it picked up everything from fine dirt to larger debris, leaving behind perfect vacuum lines. By the time I finished the yard, the pool was spotless. Summer saved, no sweat. Want to try it for yourself? Check the link in the description and get your pool summer ready with WYBOT.